Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. So if you're new to this channel, basically I get a lot of unboxing, I do a lot of first impressions, a lot of reviews, comparison videos, and I try to vary a lot of my the watches or the reviews I do from watches like this, like the N Ordain, beautiful dial, to something affordable like this Lorus. Basically, Lorus is a sister company of Seiko. So you get Seiko in-house movement, in-house materials, and you still pay a lot less than Seiko's. So, as you can see, Seiko guarantee card. Let's take this watch out. Put these away. So minimal box. So basically, that's something I really like. If you're selling a affordable watch, keep the box very simple and put least amount of let's say resources onto the box, so you can put much more resources into the watch. So this watch is 114 euros on Amazon. You might, I'll leave a link in the description. You might shop around and find cheaper, so be sure to leave in the comment section. It has a non-hand winding non-stop second Seiko movement. I think it's the S725 if I'm not mistaken, and it has this HoloLinks, let's say horrible jiggly style bracelet, which is very jiggly, and as you can see it has a little bit different finish than the case itself. But let's not get boggled down to the strap. We are here for the watch. So basically you have an automatic watch. Reference number is RL449AX9. Has a mineral glass. Like I said, fold up clasp, stamped clasp with a Jubilee style bracelet. A lot of my fingerprints all over it. And as you can see, it is a, let's get the caliper, should be a 42 millimeter in diameter. Yeah, around 42. Let's get it from here. Yeah, 41.88. Lug to lug under 50, with a thickness of 12.9, so 13 millimeters. Has a fixed bezel, 60-minute counter fixed bezel, blue dial with yellow hands, as you can see, really nice. It has loom all over. Has 100 meters water resistance, so 10 bar. So as you can see with the loom, it actually does only has loom on the hands. So this is basically, these loom spots are also fake loom, so that's something to take care of. Hands are moving quite nicely, and yeah, you have also a see-through case back, as you can see. Clean it up a little bit, where you have the Lorus and you have the Seiko movement inside, which is 21 joules automatic. So that's the basic specs of the watch. My first impressions, I really like how it looks. This is a 115 euro watch, like I said before, on Amazon, so you might get it even lower on that if you shop around. I'll definitely put it on another bracelet and come back to you guys so I can put it on my wrist and show you how it looks. I forgot to mention it's a 20 millimeters lug width. Maybe I have to zero this again. So it's, yep, 20 millimeters. And here we have it on a NATO strap, black NATO strap. I think it goes really well with the black fixed bezel and the blue dial. So basically this is a on a budget field watch, or let's say an everyday watch. It's not a field watch, it's an everyday watch. You have this diverse look. You can put it on a rubber strap, you can put it on a NATO, you can leave it on this horrible bracelet. I don't recommend it. changes the date, has German and English dates. Here we go. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and this is how it looks on my wrist. I think it's Seiko is definitely going forward with integrating more and more of these designs that they have into Lorus, offering more affordable watches for their consumers. Think it's a good move from them, and definitely I think for $100 there are not so many better options. Maybe some Orient if you pay a little bit more. I will be showing also one on the channel in a couple of weeks maybe, so be sure to check it out. If you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section, and it's always invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.